Hi YouTube, this is how I lost $200 plus on my $5,000 profit account, and I'm going to take you through the process and the mistakes I made and all. So this week has been really tough for me on my mental health and my trading in general, and even like a lot of SLK community, everyone like testified to that this week has actually been a bit choppy and stuff like that. Like I was taking loss back to back, and that's what I'm saying about risk management and taking a step back from the charts. So I took a couple of loss back to back, and even my own rules I broke it. I revenge trade and I lost more. So on this trade, there was this BTC trade. So you can see the analysis and everything, the top process. I can see, okay, there is a break of structure from what I'm seeing on the market, and okay, then immediately I saw this break of structure, I went down to 1 hour. I marked out my entry, and yes, I marked out a V-shaped key level. Yes, on 1 hour. Yeah, this is it. I marked out a V-shaped key level that sponsored a couple of buys and was violated to the downside. So that was where my entry was, and I marked it out and placed my entry. So I was in the market, then boom, price took me out. It still went my way. So I was like, okay, I was right. Market doesn't owe you anything. Like market doesn't own you anything. So when you take a loss, yes, you might be right, but just let it go. So, but like is following there is something about making rules, and there is another thing, following the rules, like following it diligently. That was my mistake. I know the losses that I took this week was all my mistake, because I wouldn't have take that kind of loss if I had followed my rules, that after 2 consecutive losses in a day, I'm not doing. After 4 consecutive loss in a week, then no more trade for that week. But I was trying to, I don't want to lose this profit account. I want to make back this money. I want to pass this profit account. Then I let my emotion engulfed me. And you can see here in the chart, and this is US oil. I started the analysis from daily time frame, and you can see, okay, price is rejecting from open close, bullish open close that was violated to the downside, and it's been engulfed with FVGs. And so when I saw this I moved down to 4 hours to confirm the analysis, and then see, I saw confirmation entry. The bullish candle has been taken, and the low is still standing. So price is reacting from a shaped key level. So I was, okay, this price is going to sell, because okay, we are on daily, we are bearish. The price is reacting from a shaped key level. Price is from open close that was violated. So that was why I entered, and then boom, US oil stopped me out. So I was just taking the losses like consecutively. It's just been crazy. When you're in the market and you see something like this, you don't force it, because market is going to show you what you need to see. Market is going to show to you what you need to see. So even on Euro JPY, I stopped today. I didn't take any trade. On Euro JPY, I saw a breakout, and where I marked out, like the breakout happened and stuff, but I didn't take it because the losses has taught me a lesson, like hard core lesson, and I think moving forward, I'm going to stick to my rules, and I won't even trade and stuff like that. So doesn't mean if you're trading pro firm or your personal phone, try to minimize your loss, and that's where risk management is coming. So please like, follow, and subscribe.